Getattr on class objects. That being said, here is my problem. I wish to store test case meta information as attributes of the test case class objects themselves, not on instances of them. I have a list of attribute names to extract, but if there is an instance method of the same name, then getattr class _edge attr will return true, but getattr class _edge attr raises an error. Is there a way to tell getattr not to include attributes of the instantiated class and only of the class object itself? Edit. I tried accessing class _edge._dict_ directly, which I understand is bad practice, but it does not include some attributes like _name_. Edit. Rephrase of the question. Is there a way to differentiate between methods of the class edge and the methods of an instance of the class?
Is this good enough? In combination with you can also use the inspect module. With a little additional work you can even distinguish class methods from instance methods and static methods. You can use it as
your results from an incorrect definition of foo, not any underlying semantics of class attributes. By default, a function declared inside a class is an instance method, which must take at least one argument, an instance of the class. Conventionally, it is referred to as self. Normally, you would call such a method like this. But this is legal as well. In order to define a function inside a class that doesn't take any such implicit arguments, you need to decorate it with the @static method decorator. Now, you can call foo the way you tried to previously.
You want something like this. Note, this will only test whether or not an attempt to call will error out because you're calling an unbound method without a self. It doesn't guarantee that func will succeed, i.e. not fail for any other reason.